Hi, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss basic concepts of set. Basic concepts of set. This theory is comparatively new concept in mathematics. This theory was developed by George Cantor. The basis idea of set is the origin point in the study of modern algebra. In the study of modern algebra or abstract algebra. Let's see what is a set. What is a set? Yes, a set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. A set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. A set is a collection of well-defined distinct objects. From the definition of set, well-defined means that all the objects of the set should have a common property, and it is possible to decide whether any object belongs to the set or not. Repeat again. Well-defined means that all the objects of the set should have a common property, and it should be possible to decide whether any object belongs to the set. Consider a collection, the collection of vowel letters of English alphabet is a well-defined collection, because these collections have common property and any alphabet is belongs to this collection or not. For A is belongs to this collection, A is a vowel letter, and B is does not belongs to this collection, B is not a vowel letter. So, the collection of vowel letters of English alphabet forms a set. Another example, the collection of names of mathematicians. Euclidean, Pythagoras, Aryabhatta, Bhaskaracharya, George Cantor is a well-defined collection. This collection forms a set. For another example, a family of rich persons, a group of tall students, a group of numbers is not well-defined collections. These are collections is not well-defined collections. A family of persons having more than 1 crore rupees is a well-defined collection. A group of students with height 160 centimeters or more is a well-defined collection. The group of even numbers less than 15 is a well-defined collections. These collections forms a set. Next, another example, the students of Adikavi Nannaya University is a well-defined collection, is a form a set. The interior points of the circle of unit radius with center at origin forms a well-defined collection. This forms a set. The roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 are 2, 3. The roots of a quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 are 2, 3 is a well-defined collection, is form a set. Next, notations. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters, that is capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital P, capital Q, etc. and their corresponding elements are denoted by corresponding small letters, that is small a, small b, small c, small d, small p, small q, etc. If A is an element of set A, then this fact is denoted by A. This symbol is belongs to A, belongs to A, belong to A. A is in A. Different phrases. A belongs to A. If A is an element of set A, then this fact is denoted by the symbol A belongs to A. Next, if A is not an element of set A, then we shall write A oblique A. Oblique symbol indicates opposite meaning of this symbol, that is A is belongs to A is does not belongs to A. A is does not belongs to A. Okay. A is an element of set A, it is denoted by A belongs to A. A is not an element of set A is does not belongs to A. Next topic, forms of a set. Forms of a set. Forms of a set. Forms of a set. Sets. There are two forms of a sets. First one is roster form. Roster form or tabular form. For any set, let a set A contains small a, small b, small c, small d. The roster form is defined as capital A is equal to set small a comma small b comma small c comma small d. A set is collection of even numbers less than 15. The roster form is the set S is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is curly brackets or chain brackets. This form is called roster form or tabular form. Next form, set builder form. 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 Two type forms of sets, namely roster form, set builder form. Roster form is, let set A contains A comma E comma I comma O comma U is defined as A is equal to curly brackets or chain brackets A comma E comma I comma O comma U. This form is called roster form. Again, let us see B contains 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Defined as the set B is curly brackets 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. These forms are called roster forms. This form converts to set builder forms. First one is a set A contains A comma E comma I comma O comma U. In set builder form, A is equal to set X. The symbol means such that X such that X is vowel letter of English alphabet. These set, the two sets are same. A is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U is a roster form. A is equal to set X such that X is vowel letter of English alphabet is a set builder form. And again a set B contains 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Here B is equal to set X such that X is even number and X less than 10. These two sets are same. Set builder form, roster form. Set builder form, roster form. Next topic, types of sets. Finite set, singleton set, infinite set, null set, subset, power set, equality of two sets, union of two sets, intersection of two sets, disjoint sets, difference of two sets, product of sets. The first one is finite set. A set consisting of finite number of elements is called a finite set. For example, A is equal to set A comma B and B is equal to set 1 comma 2 comma 3 and C is equal to set A1 comma C1 comma C2 comma up to so on Cn. These are finite sets. A set A contains two elements, namely A comma B, B contains 3 elements, C contains n elements. These sets are finite sets. A set consisting of finite number of sets is called finite sets. The number of elements in the set is called cardinal number of the set, that is denoted by cardinal of set is equal to 2, cardinality of B is equal to 3, cardinality of C is equal to n. Okay. Next, singleton set. A set consisting only one element is called singleton set. For example, A is equal to set A, B is equal to singleton B and C is equal to, these are singleton sets, only one element. A set consisting of only one element is called singleton sets. Singleton sets. Next definition, infinite set. A set consisting of infinite number of elements is called infinite sets. We know that capital N, capital W, capital Z, Q, Q dash and R and C. These are infinite sets. N is a set of all natural numbers. N is set of all natural numbers. That is, N is equal to set 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma up to so on. The set of all natural numbers is a infinite set. Next, set of all whole numbers. Set of all whole numbers, including 0, 0, 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma up to so on. Next, integers or GL numbers. Integers is equal to set 0, comma plus or minus 1, comma plus or minus 2, comma plus or minus 3 up to so on. We observed the set of integers Z0 is set of non-zero integers, set of non-zero integers, Z plus is set of positive integers, Z minus is set of negative integers and Z plus union singleton 0. is a non-negative integers z minus union singleton 0 is non-positive integers, types of integers. Z0 is set of all non-zero integers, set of all positive integers, set of all negative integers, set of all non-negative integers, set of all non-positive integers and even integers. These are all infinite sets. These are all infinite set. Next, Q. Q is set of all rational numbers. Set of all rational numbers is of the form Q is equal to set P by Q such that P comma Q belongs to Z and comma Q not equal to 0. These are set of all rational numbers. A number P is said to be a irrational number which is not rational number. Irrational numbers కానటువంటి అన్నీ కూడా ఏమవుతాయి, rational numbers కానటువంటి అన్నీ కూడా ఏమవుతాయి, irrational numbers అవుతాయి. నెక్స్ట్, రియల్ numbers. Q dash is set of all irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Next one, set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers is Q union Q dash. Q union Q dash. And set of all complex numbers is equal to x plus iy such that x comma y belongs to R. These are all infinite sets. Next, null set. Containing a set containing no elements is called null set. It is denoted by pi or symbol, this symbol. For example, a set A is equal to x such that x not equal to x. A is equal to set x such that x not equal to x. For condition x not equal to x is not impossible any real value. So, the set contains no element, the set A is empty set. And another example, if A is equal to set x belongs to R such that x square less than 0. Any real number, any square of real number is a greater than or equal to 0, but x square is less than 0 is an empty set. Third one, if A is equal to set x such that 2 less than x less than 4 and x is even, the set is empty set. The set is empty set. Next one, subset. Any element of the set A is also element of the set B, then the set A is called subset of B. The relation between A and B is denoted by A subset B. A is subset B. A is subset of B, and or A contained in B. A contained in B. Every element of set A is also an element of set B. Here, for any element x belongs to A, that implies is also an element of A. So, A is subset of A. We know that empty set is a subset of every set and phi is a subset of A. Conclude that every set at least two subsets, namely itself and empty set. Itself and empty set. A is subset B is expressed as writing B A, B to A. This is A to B. This is B to A. B is a superset of A and B contains A. B contains A. Here A is subset of B. Here B is superset of A. Here A is contained in B, or here B is contains in A. Okay. Next, if cardinality of a set is n, that means a set number of elements is n. A set contains n elements. So, cardinality of A is equal to n. Then the set have 2 power n subsets. 2 power n subsets. For example, A is equal to set 1 comma 2 comma 3. A is equal to set 1 comma 2 comma 3. We find subsets of set. Singleton 1 is a subset of this set, singleton 2 is a subset of this set, singleton 3 is a subset of this set, alage set 1 comma 2 is also subset of this set, set 2 comma 3 is also subset of this set, and 3 comma 2 is a subset of 3 comma 1 is a subset of A, and set 1 comma 2 comma 3 every set is a subset of itself, and empty set is a subset of every set. So, total sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of elements in set is n is equal to 3, that implies 2 cube is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all subsets of set A. The subsets are two types: proper sets, improper sets. Improper sets are given set and pi. These two sets are improper sets, other sets are proper sets: 1 singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3, singleton 1 comma 2, singleton 2 comma 3, singleton 3 comma 1 are proper sets of set A, proper subsets of set A. Set 1 comma 2 comma 3 and pi is improper subsets of A, improper subsets of A.